Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing how to print a tree. In my previous video, we have seen how to create a binary tree. Now we'll see how to print a tree. Now let's say this is a tree. Let's say this is a tree. Now we want to print this tree. Now how we will print? As of now, we'll try to print this way. We'll print 1, then we'll put print colon, and we'll print 2, 3. Then we'll go for 2, then colon, then 4, 5, then 3, then 6, 7, then 4, nothing, 5, nothing, 6, nothing, 7 again. So how you are gonna print? That is, we'll print a root node, their children, then root node, their children, root node, their children. So this is the order in which we are going to print. So let's say how our code will look like. Def, let's define a function that is print binary tree, print bt. We'll get a root node. Now say we get nothing, that is none. We do not get any tree. In that case, if root is none, we can just return. Correct? Now if otherwise, if root is not none, now what other case can happen if root is not none? So let's say we are here, our root is not none. So there can be many cases, right? It can be like this only. That is, there is only left child. Second case can be there is only right child. Third case can be there is both left and right side, and fourth case can be there is no child. Correct? So let's see how our code will look like. If root dot left is none and root dot right is none, what does that mean? Our left is also empty, right is also empty. Then what will print? We'll just print root dot data. Correct? Will not print anything. Elif. Root dot left is not none and root dot right is not none. Our root dot left is also not none. Root dot right is also not. That means what will print? Root dot data colon root dot left dot data comma root dot right dot data. That is what we want to print, right? If the root is left is also not empty, right is also not empty, we want to print both the data. Elif root dot left is none. What does that mean? Root dot left is none means there is only root dot right element. Then in that case, what do you want to print? Root dot data. We want to print root dot right. Now else print root dot data root dot I guess this should work. Let's see. So herein we have defined our node. We have defined our tree, that is 1, 2, 3 is our tree. Then again obj2 dot left, that is 4. This is our tree. Our output should look like 1 should give 2 and 3, 2 should give 4, 4 should give nothing, 3 should give nothing. So this is how our output should look like. So now let's check. Print bt. What is our root? Root is obj1. It's just printing 1 comma 3. What we have done wrong, we forgot to call print bt of root dot left, print bt of root dot right. Root dot left dot data. You want to print the data, correct? So data. Now I guess it must work. So we can see that 1 is having a 2 child, that is 2 and 3. 2 is having 1 child, that is 4. 4 is having no child, 3 is having no child. So our output is correct. Now, what is the use of doing this? So we are here, right? If we are just calling this, it will just print this. Now we want to call on 2 also. We want to call on 3 also. So this recursive call will do this. So this is our tree, correct? In the beginning, we are here. We'll check if root dot left is none and root dot right is none. No, it's false. It comes here. If the root dot left is not none and root dot right is not none, condition is satisfied. Now print root dot data. It will print 1 colon root dot left dot data, root dot right dot data. Now it will come out. It will call for root dot left. It will call for 2. Correct. Now when it comes for 2, root is none, not none. It will call for this one. It checks for this one, not. It checks for this one, no. If root dot left is not, again no. Now this one is accepted. Root dot data, that is 2 colon root dot left dot data, that is 4. Now again it will call for 4. So when 4 is called, root dot left is none and root dot right is none. Now this is satisfied. So just it will print 4. Now again it will call for none. So now root is none. It will return. It will go back. Again it will call for right. It is root dot right. It is again none. It will return. Now left part is done. It will go back. Now it will call for right. It is none. It will return back. Now left part is done. It will return. Now again it will call for right. Now root is none. No, 3 is there. If left is none and right is none, yeah, correct. Then it will print 3. Again it will call for left. Left is none. Again it will call for right. Right is none. Everything is done. Now it will end. So this is a. Thank you.